Who's that from, Alana?
Wednesday starting at 5 on 22 News. Get ready for celebrating the rising school costs. With predictions of $5 a gallon gas in the near future, how will you prioritize your spending?
I don't get this. What's that?
You know what this is? What's that? What is it? What's that?
It's crocodile.
It's a crocodile? Let me see. Get it out for Dada.
I see it.
Can you get it out, or do you need help?
No, it's in there.
What's that?
It's in there.
What's in there? You need help?
No. What's in there?
Huh. What's that? You want to get it? What is it?
A crocodile.
A crocodile? You want to get it?
Crocodile.
Here, go grab it. Alana, grab it.
It's in there.
Here, you get it. You want to dump it out? Here it comes. You want to give him a kiss? Give him a kiss. Come on.
I think she might be afraid.
I think so. What's that? You want to give him a kiss? You want Dad to give him a kiss?
No.
No? You want Boomer to give him a kiss?
Whoa! Crocodile.
Crocodile. Want to put your finger in his mouth?
Mm-mm.
Can Dada put his finger in his mouth?
No.
No? Here, I'm going to do it.
Mm-mm.
Please. Uh-oh. You want to pet the crocodile?
No.
Can I Dada pet the crocodile? Mama pet the crocodile. Dada pet the crocodile. Put my finger in his mouth. Nom 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 nom. Good job. Oh,
Look here.
you want what?
No hurt.
No hurt. Good job.
No ticket.
Alana, look at that. I look at the camera. Say thanks, Ken. Say thanks. Alana.
Perfect.
What? Can you say thank you? Alana, can you say thank you, Ken?
Hold it.
Okay, put your hand out.
What is Scrubs? Yes. Sitcom 2000, please. Tracy Gold's older boyfriend, played by Matthew Perry.
No hurt.
No hurt.
This 80s sitcom. Leslie.
Like it?
Whoa!
Jackie.
Go get it. Show the kitty cat.
What is a petticoat? Yes. Pet 1200, please. Nightshade family member seen here. Dustin. What is a petunia? That's it.